Hi guys, Richard from Promt Parts. Today I've got a service kit for a Suzuki DF100 to 140 C and G range of engines. This has all the components in it that Suzuki suggest and recommend for doing a complete service on this engine. Alright, so we have the engine oil filter, fuel filter, four spark plugs for the engine, and here will be the water pump repair kit, water pump impeller and O-ring, and the applicable gaskets that go with the kit. It's a very, very well packaged kit, this. So you have the cylinder block anodes. You need to pop all of these apart. Anode housing gaskets. That. Anode housing anodes. So as you can see, everything you need to service this engine correctly. You can find these at promptparts.co.nz, engine parts, service kits. Select the model you want to find the kit that suits your engine. Thank you.